you already know what's inside. So let's open it up. Check it out. Interesting. Got all kinds of bits. So, for many, many, many years, actually around 30 or so, and of course on camera, I would always display my gold chain, my 14 karat gold chain and 14 karat cross. So this is a new one, but my old cross was hanging around my neck for over 30 years and always dangling and jiggling, and eventually it finally wore through and it hit the ground. And luckily I heard it hit the ground when it eventually broke off. So I was like, now what? Didn't know what to do. So I went online, did a little Google searching on jewelry repair to see if there's anybody around other than the local people that fixes gold jewelry. So I found this place online, and actually it's located in California, and it's called myjewelryrepair.com. And you go on there and you fill out a form of what you got, what's wrong with it, and like a estimated retail cost of the item you're potentially going to send in, and then you get an estimate in a couple of days, like a day or two, of how much it will cost to repair. So for me, it was to fix the loop. It says, of course, the cross was a 10 karat. It says, we will repair your 10 karat gold pendant by rebuilding the break in the jump ring. So that's what broke. The jump ring for the pendant broke. And then we also, of course, when they reattach it, they got to resolder the bail back to the pendant. So it was, $60 to fix it, to ship it, and then have it fixed and shipped back. And when they write you back, they say, how do you want to go ahead and pay for it, or do you want to have us send it back, and or blah blah blah. So it was my cross. I had it for over 30 years, so I said I'm going to fix it. So I fixed it. So I sent it in this very box, and they shipped it back in the same box. So it's in here somewhere, hiding, or it might be in there. So it's in this box. So open it up. It's all gift wrapped like a present and stuff like that. It's in a nice apple box. There it is. Oh, brandy new. All cleaned up and shined up. Nice. So they repaired. Don't know if the camera will focus that much. There it is. So the very top of it was wore right through, where it looked like two horns. Literally, it looked like that. And so for a long time, it was only hanging on by a little piece of thread of metal. So they fixed that all up, and of course they had to break the little solder joint where the two pieces come back together, and they sent it back to me. So in the meantime, because I didn't know what I was going to do, I got this one from the jungle site. And it was actually this one is this is one this particular cross is real 14 karat. I didn't remember what that other one was because it's been a long time since I bought it. And as a matter of fact, the place that I bought it from doesn't even exist anymore online because I bought it online. So this one is a 14 karat gold and white gold cross that is just barely the of course I don't remember the terms that they use. The bail is barely big enough for the chain. The chain's a little bit too big for this particular one, where it barely fits through even where the connectors connect. So I'll be on a search for a little bit smaller chain so I can have that one on standby in case in 30 years from now I wear this one out again and have to send it in for repair. Because I looked for the biggest cross 30 years ago. Of course, 30 years ago, the price of gold was a lot cheaper than it is now. So for me to replace this was is still over $1,000 to replace both of these. And it's kind of hard to find a big cross in 14 karat. So we will save this one. Actually, we'll put this one for storage back in the little bag here so I don't lose it. And we'll put it back in the box. Of course, I'll have to mark it so I don't, you know what I mean. So, restored by the master craftsman of My Jewelry Repair. Thank you for trusting our services. We take great pride in providing the highest quality of service to our customers. Our team, master craftsman, has years of experience and expertise in restoring jewelry and watches of all kinds. Each piece that comes through our doors is treated with the utmost care and attention to detail to ensure a flawless restoration. We stand behind our work, repetition, and commitment to our customer satisfaction. We restore memories. We strive to continually improve. We kindly request that you take a moment and provide us feedback. Okay, I definitely will, because you praise these people, and sometimes they remember that, and they either send you stuff or they'll give you a discount next time you come back or something like that. So that's where I sent my jewelry to be repaired, is from myjewelryrepair.com. So that's it for this video. So if you got broken memories or something that you bought a long time ago that you still like and you still sport around, like my big cross around my neck, and if it finally wore through, send it in to be repaired. If you want to spend the time and the money to repair such an item. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.